We're at 56 Jorissen, which is South Point's new student res in Braamfontein, and it's located directly opposite Wits University.
My name is Patrick Levick and I'm a director at LYT Architecture. LYT Architecture has been one of the larger architectural companies in the country. It does a range of work through commercial, industrial, residential, leisure.
My name is Sarah Kuiper. I was the project architect on the job. There were two aspects to the brief. The one was that the building needed to be as efficient and robust as possible. The other aspect was to focus on spaces for students to live and work and play in an inspiring environment. Face brick is a very low maintenance solution, and I think on a student res, low maintenance is critical. It was a low maintenance choice, and also it offered room to be playful. I mean, having the different bonds could introduce different pattern types, just opportunity to play with the material and explore a material.
We chose face brick because of its timeless qualities and because of the module that we could use in breaking up the facades by different check textures and different bond detailing, recessed joints, flush joints. So that's why we chose a face brick. We chose the color of the brickwork because of its warmth and its low maintenance. We chose Corobrik because we've got a good selection of brickwork and reliable deliveries and good backup service.
The primary challenge with the design was how to articulate the mass. So a way to break up the scale and to give the mass some articulation was to introduce different brickwork bonds to create a pattern which in a sense becomes a geometric artwork. So the building is split into panels, basically 6 by 6 meter square panels, and then each of those squares is then assigned a brickwork bond. With Corobrik, we had a series of meetings trying to figure out how to limit the amount of cutting, where special bricks would be required, because some of our reveals were very deep, and how the structure on those reveals, the lintel structure, to ensure that all of our sills and lintels were face brick. We chose the Roan Satin face brick because we wanted a brick that was as flat as possible. So on the scale from a distance, we wanted a monolithic, homogeneous finish, and instead of the brick providing the texture and patterning, we wanted that to come through in the bond choice and the joint articulation.
It's been a 5-year project. The design period was about a year, and then COVID struck, so it's been a long road. And when the scaffolding started coming down, we started getting excited, and then when they started cleaning the brickwork, it really came to life. To see a big building like this looking beautiful, especially when you think that it is a student residence, which is not something that people will throw money at, it's come out very nicely.
I think one thing that we were happily surprised by was how the depth in the mortar joint changed the color of the brick. So where the joint is flush, the brickwork is a lot lighter to where the joint is raked out. I think on a whole, just the material selection lends itself to a very low maintenance building, which hopefully then ages well. Looking at the building as a finished product is more than just the product. It's about the process, and I think that includes the client, the consultant team, the contractor, and the subcontractors, everyone involved in realizing the project.
Just to say thank you to Corobrik for the assistance we had, and particularly when we were doing the sample panels and looking for brick detailing. Would we use Corobrik again? Yes, we would definitely use Corobrik again.